Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we dive into the details of English words to help you expand your vocabulary and boost your language confidence. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're talking about a word that's all about getting things right accurate. Accurate is an adjective that means something is free from errors or completely correct. When we describe something as accurate, we're saying it's exact and reflects the truth or the facts. You might use accurate when talking about measurements, facts, or even predictions if they are spot on and reliable. Let's look at a few synonyms for accurate that you can use to express similar ideas. Words like precise, exact, and correct share similar meanings. For example, the scientist provided a precise measurement of the ingredients, or her memory of the event was exact, recalling even the smallest details. Another example could be, the report was correct in every detail, leaving no room for error. Now, let's talk about some antonyms, or words with opposite meanings. Opposites of accurate include inaccurate, incorrect, and imprecise. For instance, if we say, the weather forecast was inaccurate and missed predicting the rain, we mean it wasn't correct. Or, his description was imprecise and left out key details, suggesting it lacked exactness. How does accurate fit into our daily conversations? You might hear it used in various situations. For instance, if you're taking an important test, you'd want your answers to be accurate. Or, if someone is giving you directions, you'd hope for them to be accurate so you don't end up lost. In the workplace, presenting accurate data can be critical, whether you're preparing a report or sharing information with a team. Here are a few sentences to show how accurate can be used in context. Her accurate observations made the research study more reliable. The clock is so accurate that it only needs to be adjusted once a year. And please be accurate when filling out this form, as errors could delay the process. To wrap things up, today we explored the word accurate, which means free from errors and correct. We talked about synonyms like precise, exact, and correct, as well as antonyms such as inaccurate and imprecise. Remember, being accurate isn't just about being right. It's about being trustworthy and dependable. If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support really helps others find the show. And here's a fun challenge for you. Try using accurate in your own sentence and share it as a comment. I'd love to see how you bring today's word into your conversations. Thanks for listening, and until next time on Hello Word, keep expanding your vocabulary and confidence in English.